We're Justin and Jesse. We retired at 30, sold everything, and moved into a van with our pets. Join us as we try to hit every state in our van and show you all the cool and weird stuff along the way. Don't forget to subscribe. We're Floyd's in the Dan Van. Alright, so we decided to leave Reno. It was okay, it just wasn't that great. There was nowhere really for van parking. A lot of don't park here signs, no overnight here signs. And then the reviews on like iOverlander said that a lot of people were getting the knock from the cops whenever they would try to sleep somewhere. So we stayed 2 nights, but we decided to come up to Virginia City. I say up, it's actually back south a little bit, but up on a mountain. Virginia City is an old mining town. They used to mine gold and silver here. So we're gonna go check it out. And the TV show Bonanza was actually filmed right here. So we're gonna go check out this town. It should be a cool little historic spot. And then maybe we'll go back to Lake Tahoe. Are you ready, Romo? Probably one of the most lively downtowns that we've ever seen. I would compare it to Mayberry, which is also known as
Mount Airy,
North Carolina. It was a very, very lively downtown also. And we just got these free candies from one of the candy shops. They invited us in. They said Romo was welcome. So far I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Pretty cool town.
Yeah, it was super friendly. Dude was walking over there and told his buddy on the banjo, he said something about, quit playing that shit when I get back. And he goes, why don't you go fuck yourself? And he goes, nice hair.
All right, let's go. Let's see it.
They say there's a fella down at the bowling alley, gets on stage and just shits his britches. Says it goes by the name of Steamy Ray Vaughan. What for?
Are you done?
It's a britches holocaust.
had no idea that there was another famous brothel right outside of Carson City, the Bunny Ranch.
I definitely, we've all heard of the Bunny Ranch. I just didn't know this is where it was.
I had no idea. But anyways, they have a sign that says free tours and a gift shop, so we have to go, right?
Yeah, we're coming up on our exit.
Exit 69. Guys, this is only our third brothel, so we don't really know what to expect. They're expecting us. Ooh. So we just left the Bunny Ranch. Got quite the tour. We'll just leave it at that.
Yeah.
We won't tell you guys anymore.
I'm still a Chicken Ranch #1 fan.
Chicken Ranch fan, but we did meet a lovely lady and I can't remember her name. Did she even tell us?
I never got it.
Okay, tailing. We're making our way to the West Coast once again, to the Pacific Ocean. The idea is to go to Sacramento and then San Francisco, both of which we've never been to. Right now we are in Truckee, which is right outside of like North Lake Tahoe, and we're taking the Donner Pass. So we had to stop at the Donner Party Visitation Center and just kind of read about more of what these people went through crossing this area. And we're standing right where the cabin used to be. I just could not imagine coming across those mountains. Like, that was even tough for us.
Like, in all seriousness, here's what I don't get. Let me show you. Like, they're here, but like right there was a chevron.
Well, maybe it's new.
I doubt it. But maybe. I don't know. How did they dial a chevron right there? Look, I'm 6'1", maybe 6'1¼ with my shoes on. This monument marks the 22 feet depth of snow that was here when they got stuck. So that kind of gives you a perspective of why they got stuck in the snow instead of just moving forward.
Wow.
I'm sure a lot of you have heard about the Donner Party, and you know they're cannibals maybe, or you might not even know that much. There were some pioneers that were moving from Independence, Missouri to San Francisco looking for the gold rush, I think. Well, they got told about this Donner Pass right here by a dude named Hastings. Anyways, they came across it in late November, and winter hit, and they got stuck up here. So they got in this cabin that was over here. And then they all realized they were screwed, so they decided that they would take off for rescue. Originally, there were 87 members in the party, and only 42 survived. And during that, they did result to cannibalism.
If you haven't subscribed to the Floyds, what are you doing with your life? Honestly.